Hey guys, what's going on? Hey, today, pineapple upside down cake on GMG. This one right here, Daniel Boone pellet smoker. Pineapple upside down cake on the Daniel Boone pellet smoker. Y'all ready? Come on. As always, stick around. All right, first thing we do is we got our quarter cup of butter. Put it all in this pan, any cake pan. Coat it liberally. That's gonna be your flavor. All right, we do that. We got a cup of brown sugar. Just kind of get all this all over best you can. And with a spoon or whatever you got, just kind of layer it out a bit. It'll get coated, it'll melt with the heat. No worries. I'll spread it out. No big deal, not that hard. One of the simplest cakes you will ever make. But you do want to get it all over the pan as best as you can. Alright, get this cleaned up, and then we need our pineapples in here. Okay, now, got the juice of the pineapple, put in the cup. We're gonna need 1 cup of water. We're gonna go with the pineapple juice instead of the water. Now we got our pineapple rings. I'll lay these out, turn it right across from each other. It's not rocket science. Can be done. Actually in 4s. Goes a little closer. Other side as well. Try to space them out as much as you can. You get 10 in here. Do one there. And one like so. Then we'll come back with our cherries. We'll just drop them in the center of each pineapple. No rules. As much or as many or whatever you like. Just pop them in there. Alright. Get the rest of these going, you'll see what I mean. And there you see it. Next we're going to do is mix our cake batter and pour it all over that luscious pineapple cherries. Okay, let's get that cake mix going. All right, so we go with our cake mix. This is just yellow cake mix. Pour that in there. We're gonna then go with our 1 cup of pineapple juice into the mix. I'm gonna go with 3 eggs. 3 eggs. That splatters in there nice. And 1/2 cup of oil, like so. That'll do that. We'll get this down in here, get it locked up, and we'll put it on a blend. And I like to time mine for 2 minutes. Let's see here. Start it slow. On our timer. Let that go for 2 minutes. All right. Let it drain a little bit. And we're going to pull it off, put it in the cake pan. All right. Get that off of there. As much as we can. Here. Then get our batter and get it all over this cake pan right here. Getting a little closer look. All right. All over as best you can. It'll creep over what it's cooking. I'm gonna spread it out a little more too. Let's get this set down. I'll get my wooden spoon. Just like that. Alright. That is it. Now we're going to get this onto the pellet smoker, GMG grill, at 350 degrees for 45 minutes. Let's go do that now. Alright guys, you can see the grill is smoking. 350, it's been sitting there about 20 minutes. Go ahead and get this on there, gonna get my dead center both ways. And come back in about 45 minutes, we'll check it. It's gonna be great. All right, we are at our 45-minute mark. Let's take a look. Looks good. Those of you who know the toothpick test, we'll have to check it, see if it comes out clean. Let's get zoom in a little closer here. Dead center. I say that's pretty clean. That's pretty clean. Pretty clean. Alright, let's get her out of there. Get her out. Put on my gloves here. Get her out of there. Alright, so we get her over here to the tray, and we're going to flip it over like so. Boom. Okay, now the trick is, now we got to leave this here for 5 minutes, and we'll take the pan off. Alright? Alright, hey guys, it's been 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and get this cover off. Hopefully the pineapples don't stick. I'm kind of anticipating they are. I got a fork just to kind of help that out. We'll see. Think I'll need it? I don't know. We'll check it out. Let's find out. Let's get this uncovered. Okay, I put my gloves back on because I know this pan's still hot. Actually, I'm going to use this fork here to there we go. Hey, no stick. How's that? Smoked upside down pineapple cake with a few extra cherries. Not too bad, huh? Not too bad. On a pellet smoker at that. Take a look at that. Let's get a closer view. All right. See them cherries got good color. Pineapple's got a good color. That brown sugar in there melted a bit. Not too bad, huh? Not too bad. Little pineapple upside down cake on the GMG pellet smoker, Daniel Boone. All right, there you go, guys. Pineapple upside down cake. Get some. All right, hey guys, that's it. Pineapple upside down cake on a pellet smoker. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Didn't take long at all. Like I said, 45 minutes on the smoker, about 10-15 minutes to prepare. No big deal. I'm not gonna bite it though. I'm not gonna cut it. That thing is hot. So I may do a taste, let it cool down, and come back, clip it at the video here after a while, maybe with a glass of cold milk. We'll see. But if I don't clip back, I appreciate you guys as always. Thanks a lot. Have a good one. But now you're gonna see me back a little bit. I'll leave this here a little long. Cool. All right, hey guys, I told you. What about that? See that? Pineapple upside down cake on a pellet smoker, GMG Daniel Boone. It's cooled off. It was hard waiting for it, but give it a shot here. A little bit of that. Mm-mm-mm. Moist as can be. That pineapple flavor is throughout with the pineapple juice you added into it instead of the water. That's really good. Sorry for the background noise, guys. If you love pineapple, you love cake, pellet smoker, knock it out. Very light taste of smoke, not hardly at all, to be honest with you. Really good. You know what? I'm a little mad right now because I left my milk inside the house. As always, appreciate you guys. Love y'all. GMG. If you don't got one, get one. Trust me, I'm having a blast with this thing. Yeah, I need to fire up my drums and my other smokers though because they're getting jealous. Guys, y'all be cool. Catch you on the next one. Later.